Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the ashtray lid here, okay, the ashtray assembly on BMW E46. If yours doesn't close, we'll show you how to remove it, how to replace it with a used one, new one, whatever it is, and show you how they fail. So please subscribe guys, many videos coming on this channel. Also on our channel Wagon Mechanics we have amazing BMW E46 HP build. So it's growing crazy fast. Thank you for watching and let's grow the channel together. Alright guys, what we need to do next, you need to put the car in neutral. It needs to be neutral so the shifting levers point straight up. It's important not to twist now left or right. We're going to pull straight up. You need to press that button on the front while you're pulling. If it might be really stuck, so two people might be needed for the job. Okay, the more you remove it, the easier it's gonna come out, to be honest with you. Okay, that's the shifter knob there, out of the way now. Next, we'll need to get a little prying tool, okay, or you can use a screwdriver with electrical tape around it, okay, just something like this one, and you need to carefully, gently pry the trim out of there, okay, because that thing is breakable, okay. And next, okay, we're going to pull it out. Hold on, now we have the wires here that are very short, so we need to go ahead and disconnect these wires. Okay, so those go in. If you grab them on the plastic, never pull on the wires, okay, and if you pull it hard, it's gonna come out. Okay, one is out, second one is out, okay, just like that one now. And here we have another one that we'll need to disconnect as well. There is one little tube that's holding there in the middle, okay, so we just pry it out of there, okay, like that, and it's out of here now. Next, with a Phillips screwdriver, we have two screws here that we will need to remove. Okay, almost out. And quite a few videos coming on that E46 guys, and check out Wagon Mechanics guys, it's growing crazy fast thanks to you and all the positive support we had so far. Okay, and now we're going to pry that thing up. Okay, so with the, okay, you can see with the prying tool, we're just going to pry it up. Okay, right there, and now we need to disconnect the wires here. There is a few wires, one on this side, one on the other. Okay, this is for the switches. Okay, so how you remove this one? You squish in on both sides and pull it out. This one here, you press in here on both sides and pull the thing out again. Next, we need to remove that one with the same prying tool here. You just go on the side, okay, and pry it open like that. It comes out of there, okay guys. And now we have two screws on the bottom that we need to go ahead and remove all the way. Take them off. Okay, and this one there as well. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to grab and pull it up. And here we have two screws, okay, so don't pull up yet. I almost forgot about those, so we need to go ahead and remove those as well. That's why we need to remove that storage compartment there. Okay, and this one here too. So now we can just grab it and pull it up. Now we need to shift to drive, okay? You need to make sure you shift to drive. And here it is, out of there now. Next we need to disconnect the wires here, so you need to pull on the black one, okay? Try to avoid pulling on the wires, just grab the black thing. This one will press in, pull out, okay, like that. And we're going to disconnect this one as well, the lighter here. It's super easy, you just pull it out. Cannot confuse those. Alright guys, next thing we need the very little, okay, let me check this thing out. This is a T5 star looking bit. Okay, so we can remove these two screws right here. T7 or T9, whatever it is, T9. Alright, the smallest one, T9. So we're going to go ahead and remove the two screws now. It's very little one. Okay, one is out of there. This is the ZHP guys here that we have. Okay, and now you can pull it out. Alright guys, and this is the ashtray assembly. You can see the problem is right here. Okay, inside something's not functioning right. It's fixable if you take it apart, but we're going to just go ahead and replace it with a used one. So that's how you guys remove it. You install everything in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.